Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the trades of the day with the Trading123 Autotrader. And the first trade here is the ES. As you see, we're trading 3 contracts, $600 goal. And we're trading here in the power hour coming up to 11 a.m. ES had a trend change here, and this is when we started the AutoTrader. It's not that hard to do. You start in an uptrend or downtrend, and basically when the trend changes, the AutoTrader goes short 3 contracts, and we need about 5 points to hit our goal on the 3 contracts. So it gets short at 40.1850. First contract out is 40.16 and the last 1 and 2 hit our profit goal, and the goal is hit, and that's all that matters. You hit your profit goal. So pretty easy trade as the ES sold off and we hit our goal, and on to the next trade. As I say, these patterns repeat, and this is just like the pattern from yesterday's video, and same with the next chart. And here's our trade on the NQ, and this is basically the same pattern that repeated yesterday. As I said, strategy gets long here, and the market fizzled out. NQ fizzled, didn't have any follow through, and then it started a new downtrend. So got out of the stop with a small loss, three ticks or so, because the first got long at 12,000. So yeah, a couple small tick loss. It basically got breakout even on the first 2, and then 3 tick loss or 3-point loss on the last contract. And then the market did a flush here, and basically it got short 3 contracts, hit all 3 contracts on the way down, and our stop got us out right here. Or no, that's a profit target. PT's profit target. Profit target 1, profit target 2, profit target 3. So we're halfway to our goal, and then with our trend filter it didn't take this little bounce here, and then it failed, and then the market got short again here. The AutoTrader got short, and it goes down and hits our profit goal, and we ended up with $628 profit on the trade. And 9 trades, 77% wins because of this one stop out here. So all in all, a great trade. We hit our goal, and that's why the AutoTrader works. And then here's a trade from earlier in the day. Started the AutoTrader. It was an uptrend. The trend changed. Got short, hit his first 2 contracts, and then the stop loss got out on this little bounce here. Then the AutoTrader got long as the trend changed, and we're going for a very simple goal because the market was in a tighter range today for some reason during the AM session. May have something to do with the elections. So we hit our goal, and it was a realistic goal. We're not trying for no home runs, $1,000 to $2,000 trades here because the market's in a tight range. So if you can make $300 to $500 a day, you're doing great. And as I said before, these patterns repeat. This is the same pattern that repeats. Down move, up move, goal hit. Now, why don't I trade more contracts? Well, why don't you trade 10 contracts or 5 contracts? Well, you have less risk with 3 contracts or 2 contracts. If you've been trading more than 3 or 4 years, you know what you're doing. Yeah, you can trade 5 contracts. That's totally up to you, what you are comfortable in your trading style. You can trade 5, 10, whatever you want if you're comfortable with it. I'm comfortable with trading 3, sometimes 4, maybe now and then 5. But majority, 95% of the time, or more, I am trading 3 contracts on all futures, and I stay consistent. That is something that you will learn on your own. You're not gonna, no book's gonna tell you how many contracts, no matter how many contracts to trade, no matter how much money you have in your account. That is something that comes from within you, and the psychology of trading and the emotions. As I said before, when I ran my chat room, we had a guy that was trading 5 contracts, and he did quite well. And then when he bumped it up to 10 contracts, he got a little nervous and had to risk more. And then after about a week or two, he couldn't handle it. So he went back to trading 5 contracts, and he was quite happy. And we reset the strategy after that trade for this trade here, and basically started the AutoTrader in a downtrend, trend change. It gets long and hits its profit targets right here on the way up. Missed some of this run, but we're halfway to our goal, and like I said, we're going for a realistic goal, and we hit it. And then, since the market was in an uptrend, it didn't take this short, and it took this long, and we hit our goal. Just shy of some slippage there. So 485.52, and it says 50% winners, but there's no trade that was stopped out here. You got your first profit target, second and third are hit. So those are all 3 winners, and then the same thing here. So I don't know why it says 50% winners. But all in all, we hit our goal, profit made, and we'll come back and repeat it the next day. So what makes automation easier to trade than manual trading? Well, basically the strategy does everything for you. It makes all the decisions on when to get long, when to get short. You set a profit goal, contracts to trade, profit target, stops, and strategy does the rest. So you are not going to get wiggled out on a head fake and get in a trade and immediately have a loss. Strategy is an algorithm that's been programmed to identify the setups and the trend reversals, and as you see, it works quite well from these videos, and it'll outtrade any trader any day because it's programmed to trade the reversals and the setups that happen within them, and it's not going to it's not going to get trapped in any type of head fake. So that's what makes it easier. And when you're in trading and you're looking to get long, and you're pressing that mouse, clicking those buttons with all that force, it can be very stressful for some traders, but I prefer the automated method. As I said, it makes it much easier. So thanks for watching this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe and like button here on YouTube, and like us on Facebook and Twitter and all those social media accounts. And thanks for watching the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Good luck with your trading.